Today we're looking at the top 20 trending scale model kits of February. 12 new entries and plenty of surprises. Make sure to watch until the end as we find out what's got everyone excited in the scale modeling world. Thank you. Let's get straight into it with number 20. F1 fans will be pleased to see that we have a Meng McLaren F1 at number 20 in 124 scale and some great detail. The bodywork can be removed separately, revealing the internal structure, which becomes immediately visible. The RA168E 1.5 litre V6 turbocharged engine and matching transmission are realistically represented with vinyl wheels and steerable front steering and fabric seatbelts. Flying in at number 19, we have Dora Wings Fairy Delta II, British supersonic research aircraft. This is coming in 4 different schemes. 219 millimeters long with a wingspan of 114 millimeters. There's lots of excitement with Sword's announcement of a new Fairy Gannet AEW3 in 148 scale. Seems to be the year of Fairy Gannets, with Airfix releasing theirs recently, and now we have Swords. Looks to be some good detail again, and that's number 18. At number 17, we have Super Wings Series, 30 Years of Fabulous Phantoms, the F4E Late Phantom 2, coming in 148 scale. Number 16, we have Gecko Models, World War II British Army truck driver set, with what looks like a young Princess Elizabeth. That will, I'm sure, appeal to many of you. The figures come with their own set of decals and PE parts. Dropping from 7 to 15 is Airfix's 148 Fairy Gannet, another model that has really good detail, and with the option of having the aircraft with wings up or wings down. At 14, we have Border Model Sonderkraftfahrzeug 251. Being a medium armoured half truck, the Dash 1 means it carried communication gear. At number 13, we have Takom's offer of a limited edition of the Tiger One big box, coming with 3 different Tiger Ones in 135 scale and a figure of Otto Carius in 116. Coming in at number 12 is Edwards 148 Freedom Tiger limited edition kit, coming with 9 different options, although only 6 are shown. January's number 1 is February's number 11. Yes, Airfix's 172 B24 announcement of their Liberator has dropped all the way down to number 11. More information has come out since last month, and now we have some more images and some painted up models, and it looks to be fairly good. Qatari's announcement of their 132 Messerschmitt Bf 109K4 is down to number 10. Lovely development, coming out late in the year or maybe early next year. Sure to be a good seller when it arrives on the shelves. Number 9, we have IBG's announcement of their IAR-80, the Romanian World War II low-wing monoplane in 172 scale, and will be with us soon. Coming with lots of detail, and they've given us a deconstructed view of the airplane, and the engine looks to be lovely. Number 8 is Edwards Heavy Retro Spaviero SM79, having 3 engines. It was an Italian medium bomber, nicknamed the Sparrowhawk. This kit is coming with 6 options: decals, PE parts, resin parts, and lots of detail. Number 7, we have Magic Factory's US combat vehicle, the M10 Booker. That's coming in 135 scale. Images are showing some respectable detail and some very good looking tracks. At number 6, a surprise for many, I'm sure it certainly was a surprise for me, is Tamiya's Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA in 124 scale. Comes with 2 different schemes. Comes with complete engine bay detailing, solid rubber tyres. Number 5 is ICM Sikorsky. It's not the 135 version though. Their announcement of the 172 is still causing lots of excitement and is not due for another year. Hopefully though, they might get it out a bit quicker. Fingers crossed. And keeping with the helicopter theme, number 4 is ICM's 148 announcement of their Black Hawk US Special Forces helicopter. 100% new molds. Before we get into the top 3, could you please like and subscribe to the channel? It really does help, guys. Thank you. In number 3, we have Tamiya's 135 scale German machine gun team set in mid-World War II, the Military Miniatures series. These figures look to have some really good detail, and I'm sure will be gracing many a diorama. At number 2, we have more figures by Tamiya. These are 135, the KS600 motorcycle and sidecar. Again, excellent detailing, and I know for a certainty that I will be seeing this model around model shows in years to come. So this month's number 1 is the Leopard 2 A7V in 135 scale, also made by Tamiya, and they have took the top 3 spots. This model coming with a couple of figures and some fantastic looking detail, and looks to be some PE parts as well, and those tracks look spot on. A very good rendition of the Leopard, and hopefully will be with us very, very soon. As always, please remember to like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.